ありがとう。
Nice, right?
こっちこっち。
This way.
Yes, my girl. Pick up your strawberries.
So which one? Oh, what if we wash them there?
You just pick and clean.
Alright. Oh, find a nice fat one. First strawberry me pick. So my milk on this. Okay. Which one's it and clean?
And clean.
Oh, that one they're big. Yeah, my sister little. I'm tired of strawberry. I'm going to eat strawberry for the rest of the year. And you know what I think? Me with my eaters have gone buy strawberry weekend. I never remember saying me come a strawberry picking.
I remember
No man, me have it in mind. Me have it in my mind, but when me da go when I went shopping, I saw it cheap. Afterwards, I said, but me I got strawberry picking. What me buy strawberry for? I bought it to make my smoothie. I forgot rest off. And a nice little spot. Yes. Oh, yes, so look now. So where to go on the other side? Okay. I figure rest off.
The belly not full, but if you alright, take a break.
Yeah, we should take a break. Decline, man. You know, when you see too much of one thing,
On monitor, it has to be open where the bees then can come in, come pollinate. And then set up the irrigation system. So this will give you like a certain amount of strawberries.
it seems as if it's also a filter
Yes,
system.
it is.
So that's why it's safe to eat them without. Nice system.
We're gonna say this is going.
Belly full of strawberry.
Yes, indeed.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Boom bang, I'm out.